welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we'll find the score of the exam. Okay, so first of all we'd like to try create a new variable equals that is score. Score equals float. It can be float because um, input underscore score, close it up. Next we can expect something, except value error, because we can expect an error, colon. I would like to here write print bad score, close the string, close the bracket. So now I would like to write if statement. If score is greater than equal 0.0 and score is less than equal to 1.0 colon, then we write another if score is greater equal 0.9 colon, print a else if score is greater than equal to 0.8 colon, then print b. Damn, I forgot to close the string. Okay, so now another else if. So we gotta all just do is just continue. We can just copy it, elif, come here, write it, but here it has to be 0.7, and here it will be c. Now next one, elif, now it has to be 6, and it has to be d. Now we write an else print an f, else the guy just got an f. And now we come over here and write else for the first one, else print bad score. So okay, now let's run it. Oh, we got a mistake. Oh, also I forgot to here make a statement quit. Now line 2 in model. Okay, so we got a bug over here. So okay guys, this was all for this lecture. I will find the bug for the next video. Bye bye, see you.